When it comes to ensuring your voice is heard on the battlefield, nothing quite beats a dedicated standalone USB microphone. Also, mics aren't just about gaming. With many of us stuck at home, it's a perfect time to focus on hobbies or even work on turning those interests into a career. These mics can provide that extra bit of audio quality, noise reduction, and control you need when you are gaming. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. Enjoy features of the most advanced and versatile multi-pattern USB microphone with the blue Yeti Nano microphone. Its two 14mm condenser capsules yield a wide 20Hz to 20 kHz frequency response and can be set to cardioid or omnidirectional mode for versatile directionality. The mic delivers plug-and-play compatibility with Mac OS X and Windows systems via USB and supports resolutions up to 24-bit 48 kHz. It is a zero-latency 3.5mm stereo headphone output with mic mute functionality, and adjustable volume ensures monitoring quality and convenience. You can utilize the integrated mounting thread to attach the Yeti Nano to a compatible boom arm or attach it to the included custom base. Built-in cable management for the supplied USB cable. Up next on the list, we have the Rode NT USB condenser microphone. It is a highly versatile side address microphone that is ideal for recording singing and musical performances, in addition to spoken applications such as podcasting and voiceover. This mic features a zero-latency stereo headphone monitoring jack, which allows you to monitor the microphone input in real time. Also, it has a high-quality stand mount with industry-standard 3/8" thread, a desktop tripod stand that enables the NT USB to sit at a comfortable height on a tabletop, and a pouch for storage of the microphone when not in use. Besides, it provides a premium pop filter that is included, which fits onto the base of the mic, positioning the filter the ideal distance from the capsule to minimize plosives during singing or speech. The HyperX Quadcast S is a USB condenser microphone that both sounds great and looks great. It offers supremely stunning RGB lighting and dynamic effects that will add style and flair to any stream or setup, and is customizable via HyperX Ingenuity software. This mic uses an anti-vibration shock mount, which reduces the sound caused by the movement that may hit the table while gaming or streaming. With 4 selectable polar patterns, this mic's prepared for nearly any recording situation and features a gain control dial to quickly regulate input sensitivity. The tap-to-mute sensor comes with an LED status indicator that prevents an audio accident and the help of the LED mic status indicator. However, its gain control adjustment conveniently adjusts the microphone's sensitivity without the need to adjust in software or chat programs. Customizable RGB. The HyperX SoloCast is made for streamers and gamers looking for a great-sounding USB microphone. This versatile microphone has a flexible, adjustable stand and is compatible with most boom arms, so it can either sit on your desk or work mounted. The cardioid polar pattern prioritizes sound sources directly in front of the microphone. It has a tap-to-mute sensor with an LED status indicator. Tap the top of the mic to mute, and the signature LED indicator lets you immediately see whether or not you're broadcasting. Its easy-to-position stand swivels to support various setups, and you can even fit under a monitor if your setup is tight on space. Plus, this versatile microphone fits 3/8" and 5/8" threaded setups, making it compatible with most mic stands or boom arms. Enjoy clear audio recordings with this Elgato Wave 3 USB condenser microphone. It has a 70 to 20,000 Hz frequency response that ensures efficient sound delivery, while the cardioid polar pattern helps capture speech. It has an included adjustable desktop stand for flexible placement, and the multifunctional control dial allows for smooth operation. The cardioid polar pattern of this microphone picks up your voice and insulates it from other signals. The adjustable desktop stand features a boom arm adapter for ultimate flexibility. Plus, it offers a multifunctional control dial that allows you to adjust input gain, monitor volume, and mic or PC mix with the LED indicator strip. This mic provides USB plug-and-play connectivity, which instantly starts recording and streaming on Mac or PC. An internal pop filter prevents plosive breath noise and comes with a switchblade low-cut filter that removes unwanted low-frequency noise. Record special audio right onto a computer with this blue Yeti X Pro USB microphone. Its 4-capsule array provides 4 polar patterns to accommodate a variety of sound sources and scenarios. The high-res LED audio meter and illuminated smart multifunction knob let you monitor and adjust your voice level in real time, providing precise control over your sound. You can download Logitech's G Hub software for access to sound-enhancing Blue Voice broadcast vocal effects and app-based control of microphone settings. It delivers audio to your computer at 24-bit, 48K Hz digital resolution with no drivers required. Plug it into your computer, connect your headphones to the Yeti X's 3.5mm headphone jack, then watch the 11-segment LED meter as you adjust the gain via the smart multifunction knob. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more exciting videos from our channel.